Hey guys, this is Trezor and I'm back again with new episode video. In today's video, I just want to show you how you can make money online by using this website called ringfatise.com. Ringfatise.com is a ring shortener website, which means you have to create a shortener ring from here and share that link somewhere else like on your YouTube channel or Facebook, and every time people clicks on that link, this website is gonna start paying you for those clicks and according to your RPM as well. So as you can see, I have got almost 1915 clicks and I made $19 so far. It's just in 7 days only because I started using this website in this week and I have made so far $19. But now you can see that my balance is just $9. It's all because I have requested to withdraw $10 just to see if this website is legit. And as you can see, I just want to show you that I have received this amount on my PayPal and it's from Ringfatise. I just got $7.8 only because there was a transfer fee which was $2.2, and when you take $10 minus 2.2, I ended up getting 7.8, which is not bad. So if you click here, you will see everything, all details from that website. You can see it. Okay, so again, I just want to show the other email I received from my PayPal, which shows the amount I have got to my PayPal from this company. So guys, you can see that this website is legit. So let's go on and show you guys how to create your shortener ring from this website and how to set up your payment method. Anyways, I just want to log out from this account because I will use the new one I created for just this video. So this is the homepage of the website, and you can see on the right side that there is a register and login. So you will click on register and fill up this form. We just set up your username, email address, password, and tick everything from here and click register. So after that, you will come back and log in, and I'm just going to log in and show you guys how to create your shortener ring. So the next step is to create your shortener ring. To create your shortener ring, just click here. So here you have to set up your target URL. Target URL, it's somewhere you want people to go to after they click to your link. So let me just say I want people to visit google.com every time they click to my link. So I have to go to google.com and copy that link and paste it here. Next, we have to select which button label we want to use. So let's say I will use go and say go to website. You can see this is how our button will look like. Then continue. And here you have to create your shortener ring. Like, you can select anyone you want from this. So let me just select this one and say Google. So here you have to add your link. Your link is description. So let's say if you are inviting people to visit some website, you have to describe that website as well. So for this video, I will just copy this sample and paste it as my title and copy this description. This is a sample and paste it as my link is description. For here, you don't have to type anything because it's option, but you can do it if you want, and then continue. So this is the main part of this website, because this is where you're going to set up your ad settings. So let's say you just want to select everything from here. So you can see that your revenue, it's getting high. So guys, you can see that your revenue, it's higher now. But if you unselect some of them, you can see that you will be making few bucks, not like someone who selected everything. So let's select everything for now and click create link. So guys, you can see that we have created our link. So just click done and scroll it down. You can see this is your link you have created. For now, you can see that your revenue per mail, it's still 0. But it will be increased or it's be changed after you get some clicks from your link. So that's why you will have to wait for some folks to click on your link even to make some bucks. Okay, so to add your payment method, you have to go and click on payouts. Okay, after clicking on payouts, scroll it down and you will see your payout settings. So this is where you're going to add your payment settings, I mean your payment method. You have to fill up this form as well and choose your country. So when you click next, you will be asked to provide your email for PayPal. So make sure your names you have provided on this website match with the names you have used on creating your PayPal account, because if it doesn't match, you will have some issues on linking your PayPal to this website. So if you have done doing that, and let's say you have made almost $10, because the minimum payout is $10 and you want to withdraw it, so you will come back again on payouts and scroll it down here on request payout. So you will type amount you want to withdraw and click request. After you click on request, it will automatically just be sent to to the support of this website. I don't know where it goes, but you will just have to wait for a couple days, like 2 days. And if your threshold is just under $100, you will just wait for 2 days to receive your money on your PayPal. So the next thing is, after you share your link somewhere like on your YouTube, how it's going to look like. So let me just show you when people click on your link, how it's going to look like. Okay, so let's say this is our link, and remember we have just created a link which redirect or which takes people to google.com. Google.com was our target URL, if you remember the settings we have done before. So as you can see, it will just take them to this website, Linkvertise, and they will have to scroll all the way down here and click free access with ads, and scroll it up and click on discover articles, and they will just have to wait for some seconds here, like 15 seconds or 10 seconds, and then cross here, have to wait, and then cross. After cross and you click continue, you are going to be redirected to google.com because it was my target URL. So this is how it works. But I think if you are sharing this link, I think you also need to do like a short video explaining how to do all these steps from this website, Linkvertise, because people cannot just click on your link and when to take them to this website and they don't know what to do here. I think no one is going to do all these steps without knowing how to proceed it. Okay, so I think you need to also to write explanation or to do a short video of how to proceed all steps from this website. So that's it, guys. After people click on this your link, that website it's going to start just to generating it will just generate your revenue and then add to your balance, like how much you are making, and then after you reach $10, you will just request to receive it to your PayPal, or you can even wait until you want to withdraw your money. So something I just want to say is that this website is, if you are a YouTuber or if you have a group, if you are in a group of like a huge members, like you can get 1,000 clicks. this website it pays better than YouTube. So let's say if you're a YouTuber and your pay and your revenue per revenue per meal it's 2.5 and you have got like 2000 viewers, so you're gonna multiply by 2. So that means for 2000 viewers as a YouTuber who has a 2.5 as a revenue per meal, you are making $5. But for this website, as I showed you from the beginning, I am making $10 for just 1000 clicks. So let's say I have got 2000 clicks. Of course, that's $20. You can see the difference with $5 and $20. You can see this website pays more than YouTube, and most of YouTubers don't even have RPM of $5. So you can see that this website pays really good than YouTube. So guys, try this if you are a YouTuber, or if you can get 1,000 of people to click on this on your link. Yeah, and good luck. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, it's gonna help me to do this kind of videos because it motivates me, as I always say. So bye bye, guys.